Now we gotta screw down the top part to take the curve, huh? But the paint's not dry for that part yet, those two pieces. So give us the rest of the caboose tour here, bud.
Okay, these are the windows. But maybe we were going to put a whistle on.
Plexiglass in there, yeah.
What?
Put plexiglass in there, huh?
Why are we doing plexiglass?
So the rain doesn't come in.
What?
Come on down, show us the rest of the caboose here.
No, wait until the whole thing gets up.
Okay, what do you gotta show us up there?
These are the windows.
Yeah. Trim for the windows.
Those are the railings down there. And that's the inside where the door is. I'm looking through the window.
Yeah, come on down, show me inside it.
Sure. But we're gonna have to go inside, right? We're gonna go inside, right? We're gonna go inside, right? Alright, let's go. Let's go in. Okay. This is the inside. Let me just Let me just do this with the door so
You gotta put a latch on it, huh?
yeah. But a bucket's fine. Well, officially, this is the roof. That's the roof you're putting on, right?
Yeah.
And
Then seat will be over here so you can see out the cupola.
yep, and that's the door window.
Yeah.
And
We'll put some more benches on the side so the kids can sit in there. Starting to look like a caboose. Roof's on, mostly. So that'd be the other part. Today we did some forming on some handles. The traditional curved grab rail for the caboose. Used handles from McMaster car and took them and bent them into a curve on the bottom so they looked about right like a caboose. So that's about all the progress there is for our caboose lately. Working on it a little at a time.